To find certain words in your document in Microsoft Word, you use the find function. So for you to find that function, you just go to the home ribbon, and then you move to your right, and there you find where it says find. You can also find this by clicking Control F. It will bring out the find box. So first of all, click it, and then you look for the words that you're looking for. For example, in this document, I would like to look for all the words farm. So I just click FARM, and as you can see, I have 8 results of the word farm. And I can actually go to each word by simply clicking here. If it was a very large document, it would take me to the exact page where I have the word farm. So you can actually search words using this function. There is also a faster way of doing this if you're using Microsoft 365. What we simply do, let's just close that box, and we just go to the top where it says search. We just type in the word that we want, farm. And once we do that, we go to where it says find in document, and it's showing 8 results. So you simply click farm, and as you can see, we're still getting those results. So if it was on another page, we'll be taken to that page. Let's demonstrate how that would work. So let's copy this and let's put it on a second page, just to show you that you'll be taken to the answers that you have clicked. So we just paste it there, right? And then we look for the results of farm, and we want to look at the last page. So if it was on page 100, right, you just click here and you'll be taken to that page. So it's a very useful function to find what you want in your document.